Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 update error, that is 0x80242016. So in order to fix this problem, go ahead and run the update troubleshooter. So go to the start menu, then click on settings, go to update and security, then click on troubleshoot, click on additional troubleshooter, click on Windows update, and then click on run the troubleshooter. And once this is done, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10. Still you are facing the problem, then go ahead and run DISM and SFC command. So open command prompt, so go ahead and type in CMD in Windows search box and then make a right click on command prompt, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow. Copy this command. The command is provided in the video description, and paste it on the command prompt window and then hit the enter key on the keyboard. And once the scan is 100%, go ahead and run the second command. So open command prompt once again, make a right click, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow, and run the second command, and then hit the enter key on the keyboard. And once this scan is 100% complete, go ahead and restart the computer and then try to update your Windows 10 once again. So that should go ahead and fix the problem. Now still you are facing the problem, then go ahead and restart Windows Update Services. To restart Windows Update Services, go ahead and type in services in Windows search box and then make a right click on services, then click on run as administrator. Find Windows Update in the list, scroll down, and here you can see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update. Make sure startup type is set to automatic, and if start is highlighted, click on start and then click on apply, OK. And then make a right click on Windows Update, then click on restart. And once this is done, you can try to update your Windows 10 once again. Still you are facing the problem, then delete Software Distribution.old folder. So go to the File Explorer, open File Explorer, then go to this PC, then open C drive, open the Windows folder, and here you can see SoftwareDistribution.old. So you may find this, you may not find this. So if you have it, then make a right click, then click on delete. And once this is done, open software distribution folder. And if you go ahead and delete all the content which is there inside software distribution, make a right click, then click on delete. And whatever is getting deleted, go ahead and select, if you receive this error, then go ahead and click on do this for all current items and click on skip, and let the delete complete. So once the delete is done, you can go ahead and restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10. Now still you are facing the problem, then go ahead and update Windows 10 using Windows 10 Update Assistant. Copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Click on update now, and then run this exe file, and it will go ahead and open Windows 10 Update Assistant, and it will go ahead and check Windows 10 update, and it will update your Windows 10, and then you can go ahead and exit from this screen. Now use media creation tool. If nothing works, you can use media creation tool to update your Windows 10. So open the same link, and here you can see media creation tool, and click on download tool now. A exe file will download. You have to go ahead and run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now it will open media creation tool. Agree to the terms, click on accept, and then select the option which says upgrade this PC now. Then click on next. Now it will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now once the download is complete, before the installation you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep your personal files and apps will be checked. Now when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, and then click on install, and once the installation is done, it will go ahead and update your Windows 10 to the latest version, and you will not receive this error message anymore. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.